Hi guys, today I'm going to make a very quick video about how I make my Puerto Rican turkey, and this was my father's recipe. You are going to need very fine chopped ham. My father used to chop it himself, but modern times you can buy this one in the supermarket already chopped. You need to chop some onions. You can probably use frozen, olives with the peppers inside, chopped green peppers. You can also probably use frozen, and very fine and mashed garlic. And I use the pilon, but I guess you can use a food processor. So I'm using turkey breast, but you can use the whole turkey. You can do the whole turkey this way. A lot of Puerto Ricans, for Thanksgiving, they rather have pernil. But if they have turkey, they season it with all those flavors, like if it's pork, and they call it pavochon. So I season this turkey 2 days before with salt, pepper, and garlic. So the day before I cook it is when I stuff all the delicious vegetables and the ham and the turkey. So I make holes with a thin knife. I actually stab this thing like a million times. With my finger, I dig into the holes and I put a little piece of pepper, a little piece of onion, some olives, green pepper, and I say pepper, but I think I meant to say ham, and a little bit of garlic. And I do that all over the turkey. Ham, onion, olive, pepper, garlic, and so on and so on until the whole thing is stuffed with all these vegetables. I also put vegetables inside and rub them all over. And for color, I put a little bit of Sazon, but I use Sazon Badia because it doesn't have MSG. So one little envelope for a turkey breast, two probably for a whole turkey, just to give it some color, and it adds flavor to the skin also. This recipe is very delicious. It makes the turkey breast very moist. It changes the flavor because the ham is changing the flavor of the turkey. So if you're not crazy about turkey, this could be an alternative. And I'm telling you, it's beautiful when you cut it, and it looks so pretty, all those colors and every slice. I wanted to leave my video for my children and for the people that are used to my turkey every year, and they ask me how you do it. So here is the video. I love you guys, and